how to set the handwriting candidate type to recognition or prediction candidates on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now in here, go down, then tap on Handwriting. And in the Handwriting page, tap on Candidate Type. And from the pop-up, you could choose Recognition Candidates, or you can select Prediction Candidates. So select one of the options, and then after that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And to use your handwriting, you can write into your pad right here. Have a good day. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.